Hey world. Jump into astrology again. What I was thinking about is like doing a general like sun understanding thing, and maybe in like a house or two. But so the sun represents like your purpose, or it's the center of the solar system, and everything rotates around it. And it's a giant ball of gas made of helium and hydrogen. And it's like a giant explosion that's self-contained by the gravity of the explosion. And it's just a giant nuclear reaction in the sky. That's all of the scientific jargon. But if you turn that into attributions, it's like, right, it's the heart center from which all the energy comes from, that exists in the solar system, which you can map onto your body, but it's not necessarily a one-for-one. Again, this is more like how atoms exist with bands of, potential electrons, in all of these locations, and they could be anywhere in this area because we can't actually locate it. It's like, it's a macro view of that, of that micro reality. So the sun determines, like, where the sun is on the chart determines where you will find purpose, or where you find confidence or strength, where you're very clear and you very much are able to be understood. You can see consciously. The sun also represents consciousness, as opposed to self-consciousness. But so like, if your sun is in Aries, it's exalted in Aries, you will be highly proficient at expressing your will. Aries is will, and then that's your purpose. And then where Aries is on the chart determines where your will be located, or like pointed towards, like what realm of life you will have the strongest, bursting of will, and that will be very clear and easy for you to access, essentially. But if you have like, I'll stay with the sun. If you have the sun in like Libra, which I do, that's like the worst position for the sun because it's opposite its exaltation. So it's, I think it's called depressed. And so there's like a suppression of your purpose that goes on in favor of the Libran archetype.